What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna teach you how you can make falling platforms for your game and how you can set them up correctly. And also, we will make it as easy as possible. And right now, I have this game, little project that it's from my uh, course on 2D development, where you are making 2D platformer game. And by the way, if you want to check this course and learn from the very beginning how you can easily create 2D platformers yourself. A link will be in the description. But now let's get into our work and let's create falling platform. Now, obviously, first thing that we will need is to have some kind of model. And for that, as a placeholder and prototyping, we will be using Unity's 2D squares. So we will go in the empty space of the hierarchy panel, 2D object, sprites, and square. And let's call the square to be falling platform, just like this. Then we will select our falling platform. We can select the rect tool and make this falling platform bigger, just like this. We can place it somewhere. Oh, it's too big, I think. Doesn't really matter right now. I will make this platform to be red, but you can obviously choose any color that you like. And yeah, now let's set our falling platform correctly so everything will start working. First thing that I will do, I will make my falling platform to have collider. So let's find here for box collider 2D and let's add it. Now it has this green outline, which means that now it has collider basically. Also, I will adjust my collider and I will select this edit collider and I will make this collider to be smaller, just like this. We only need to have up top our collider. So next thing is that we need to have some effector, which will platform effector 2D. So let's add our platform effector, which will help us to smoothly fall our platform. And in the box collider, we will check used by effector, just like this. Okay, next thing, since our platform should fall, it will be logical that it needs to have some kind of physical sense, some kind of gravitation, for example. So for that, we will add one more detail, which is rigid body 2D. And as you see, this rigid body 2D allows us to have some kind of physical elements, forces, such as mass, gravity, air resistance, and so on. And basically, it means that if we start playing right now, you will see that my platform will fall down. And we don't want it to happen immediately. And if we, for example, change this body type from dynamic to kinematic, now our platform won't be able to fall down because now we are ignoring some gravity at all. And basically, if we change this body type from kinematic to dynamic back again, our platform will fall down. Now, what we can do? We can say with our script that when player touches this platform, our body type should become kinematic, should become dynamic from kinematic. So it will make our platform to fall down. Very logical. Also, note that my player have the tag of the player and we will use tag system. So just make sure to select your player and in tags assign this player. It's Unity's default tag, so it will be already in your project. Well, if not, you can create your own tags by selecting add tag, clicking plus sign and creating tag. But anyway, now everything is ready. Only thing that is left is to create script. So in the script folder or somewhere, just create new C# script. And I have already empty script, I believe, for it. And I called it falling platform. And I will assign this falling platform into my falling platform game object. And let's double click to open in Visual Studio. Now, what we need to do? First thing is that we need a reference for our rigid body because we will use it. And to get reference, we will create a variable. So private rigid body 2D and let's call it RB. And now in start, we should say what this RB means so that Unity will know that we are referring to specific rigid body, to our platform's rigid body. So we can use getComponent method, and the component name is rigidbody2D. That's it. Now we are able to use this RB. Now, we will use special method which is onCollision enter 2D, and this method calls when two game objects collide basically, and we can be more specific and say if collision.gameObject.tag double equals, and in quotation marks we can say name of the tag which our player has. In my case it's player, as you see. Let me show you one more time. So my player has tag of player, and everything is case sensitive, so type your name of your tag correctly. Now, something should happen when the game object with the tag of player, which is our character, touches this collider, which has our platform. What should happen? As I said, our body type of this rigid body should change from kinematic to dynamic. And to do that, we can simply say RB dot body type equals rigid body type 2D dot dynamic, and it will make our body type to be dynamic. So it means that if we save the script right now and if we go back, our platform will work fine, but it will be just very basic, and we don't want to be very basic. We want to have some extra details, so we will make something else. Basically, when we touch, our platform will start falling down immediately. And if it's something that you are looking for, that's it. But if you want to have some kind of trickiness in your games and in your falling platform, what we can do, we can add some delay time. So that, for example, when player will jump on platform, after a few seconds, for example, after 1 second, it will start falling and not immediately. And to do that, and we should also basically destroy this falling platform when it will be gone, because we don't want to have falling platform in the scene, which we cannot see basically. And for that, we will add extra variables here, public, float, and one variable will be for our fall delay, comma, and the second will be for our destroy delay. And we're gonna use the coroutines, and coroutines are just special methods, special functions which can be used when you want to have some delay times, and they will work fine. And to create coroutines, if you have not done it yet, we just need to create special method with the name of iNumerator. So type here iNumerator, and let's call this iNumerator to be fall, and this fall function will be called when our player will touch our platform. So first thing that should happen, we should have some delay time, some fall delay time. And to do that, we can say yield return new, wait 4 seconds, and in brackets we can pass our fall delay, and we will have some fall delay. After that, what we want to do, we want to have body type to be dynamic, so we will copy this line and paste it here. And after that, we should also destroy our platform. So let's say destroy game object, comma, and here we will pass our destroy delay. And only thing that is left is that we should call this coroutine from somewhere, and instead of saying this rb.bodytype here, we don't need it anymore, we'll call coroutine here, and we can say start coroutine, and in brackets we can say name of the coroutine, which is fall, and we will need one more brackets, semicolon, and save the script. That's all that you need. Some extra lines to make your game much more interesting. Now if we go back, let's select our falling platform, and now we have this fall delay and destroy delay. Let's make fall delay 1, destroy delay 2, and if we start playing now, When we jump on our platform, after 1 second, it will start falling, just like this, and boom. And after 2 seconds, it will be destroyed. Now, you obviously can make those numbers bigger or smaller, however you like. It's really up to you. If you want your platform to fall much faster, you can make this to be smaller, for example 0.5 or something like that, and so on. So thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Thanks.